All right, first thing we're going to do is tune. So I'm going to play my 4 strings, and then you're going to listen to your 4 strings, and if they sound different, they need to be tuned. After we do that, a question will pop up on the screen. If your strings are good to go, select good to go. If your strings need to be tuned, select this part that says needs tuning, and when I see it in class, I will come to you and tune your instrument. So here we go. I play, then you play. Let's quickly go over playing posture. We've already talked about it in class. I want to see you sit up straight. I know you're sitting in front of a computer, but I want everyone in the class to sit up straight, feet flat on the floor. Ukulele, the bottom of the ukulele should be on your thigh. Your arm should be across it. This left hand should be underneath. Your thumb is on the fuzzy dot, and we're good to go. All right, let's quickly go over strumming. So I'm just going to strum with my right hand. So everybody take a look. I like to strum with either my pointer finger or my thumb. So let's do thumb strumming first. Strum with me. We're going to strum down 4 times. Notice how I'm using my wrist. Try it again. Down 4 times. Now we're going to go up. I'm not very good with my thumb, but sometimes I still practice it. And we're going to try strumming with our pointer finger. Remember, we do this on the way down, so you're almost pointing towards your face on the way down, and on the way up, you're pointing towards the ground. So it should go back and forth like that. Let's go down 4 times. Good. Again. Now let's go up 4 times. Up again. Strumming is one of those things, it's just going to get better the more you do it. So just keep practicing it. I know it can be kind of weird, but the more you practice, the better you'll get. Practice, practice, practice. All right, now let's play our C7 chord. We've been doing this one for quite a while. I don't have dots on my ukulele, but it is right here. So you should have a dark red dot, almost looks brown. Pinch your fingers together. Remember, you want to leave space. I should not see any flat fingers. You should be using the tip of your finger, not the pad of your finger. Pinch that chord. Let's play each string. That's how it should sound. So if it doesn't sound like that, if it sounds like you're not pressing hard enough. All right, let's play the C7 chord down, up with our strum. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, down, up. Good job. Now we're doing our F chord. These are your 2 green dots. Remember, it's super important to curve those fingers. If your fingers are not curved, providing that space, then you are not going to play it correctly. Let's play each string. This is the one that a lot of kids mess up because this finger up here wants to lean back. And when it leans back, that second string it's touching it, and then it's not allowing it to ring. So you got to curve your finger. It cannot touch that second string. Now we're going to strum together, down, up, down, up. Good. Our last chord we're going over today is the C chord. C is different than C7. All right, C is the red dot. It's on the 3rd fret, right? 1, 2, 3, the 3rd fret. And instead of using my pointer finger, I'm going to use my ring finger. This finger, not the pinky, the one next to the pinky. We have to use that finger because when we transition back to F, it's right there. It makes it so easy. But if I'm using this finger to switch back to F, I have to do all that, right? So if this finger's here, right, all my other chords will fall into place. So you have to use your ring finger. Let's play all of those strings. Now strum. All right, down, up, down, up. Now that we've reviewed all 3 chords, here's where it gets a little tricky. We have been working on putting these 3 chords together without pausing in between. So we're going to do a quick exercise. We're going to play F, then we're going to play C, then we're going to play C7. F, put your fingers on F. Now put your fingers on C, the red dot. Now put your finger on C7. Now go back to F. Now go to C, quick as you can. C7. Don't forget to lift up that finger when you switch to C7. All right, we're going to play each chord. Ready, go. F. Now to C. Now to C7. Quick, quick, quick. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to play F 4 times, then wait 4 beats. While we're waiting, we're switching. C 4 times, then wait 4 beats. C7 4 times, then wait 4 beats. 1, and you can strum however you want. You can do down, up, you can do all downs. I'm going to do all downs for now so I keep that steady beat. Starting with F. 1, 2, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C7. Switch. 3, 4. Good. How'd you do? All right. We're going to try it again. Now we're only separating it with 2 beats. So it'll be 4 beats of F, 2 beats of rest. 4 beats of C, 2 beats of rest. 4 beats of C7, 2 beats of rest. 1, 2, start with F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Play. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to play F to end it. So it should sound like this. Almost messed up at the end there. So the next thing you're about to do is record a video of yourself playing that. What I want to see from you is being able to switch between F, C, and C7, back to F if you can, without pausing. That's the goal. If you are not there yet, just submit what you can. Everybody needs to turn in a video. Even if you're struggling, we're turning these videos in so I can see where you are and so that I can help you and we can help each other learn. So we are going to play F 4 times, C 4 times, and C7 4 times. And if you really want to, you can end with an F. All right, let's try it together, and then you're going to practice it on your own and record your video. F, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1. That's it. So practice that, and then we will do our flip grid video in just a moment.